got my first little, well, I really wouldn't call it a mod. It's just a little thing that keeps my truck clean. But yeah, so I bought some stuff called WeatherTech, and it's supposed to go all around your tire, not tires, all around your cab. So when you go inside, you don't get it all dirty. It's pretty big. I'm gonna try to not show you guys my address, so yeah. Okay, here, it's right here. Let me get a better angle actually. Just put this down here. I think that's good enough. Don't mind the rips on the shirt. Actually, I ripped it. How the heck do I do this? Okay, I guess I'll just go with that. Of course, this thing rips like... Oh, that's why. This is probably the reason why. That's... Alright, I got it. Got it. Just a little. Alright, let's put the knife away. So... I think this is my back seat. Okay, look, this is my front ones, and there's a little hump in the middle. So now I finally have WeatherTech that can cover the hump. I'm not sponsored by this company, but it's by Yada Motor, something like that. Look at it. Oh, it's backwards. But those are my fronts. And these are my rears. I'm gonna clean them up because they're scratched up because it's like Japanese like stuff. I'm pretty sure it's from a Japanese company, but it's scratched up. It's a little scratched up here and there. But other than that, it looks nice. I'm gonna go put these on right now actually because I'm out of class, so it's at the right time. Here, you guys can come with me. And again, don't make fun of me because of my shirt that's ripped. Okay, so I'm gonna go move the truck. And that little fan thing you hear, it's my computer because I was editing the last video and I was supposed to be doing that. So was supposed to be posted like 2 months ago, but I'm a terrible vlogger, so yeah, that happened. I think I gotta armor all these or something. All right. Take all this, and then I'll do like I haven't started my truck today, so I'll do like a cold start. Right next to the exhaust. Yeah, I'll do a cold start. So I'm not that self-conscious about showing my face, so I'm just gonna start it up. Oh, maybe I should unlock it. Yeah, this thing's pretty loud. Just put you guys there while you might have to put inside. I should probably mute that before I get demonetized. Well, this is what I used to use. I used to use this and an actual WeatherTech thing. Let me show you guys how the WeatherTech looks, actually. The real ones. Because it's a lot more different. So these are the old ones. They're a little scuffed up because they're from a different truck. I got them cleaned up, but I can't use them anymore because I got new ones. Okay, let's put them in. Let's put these in. Let me show you guys the finished product. Let's grab you guys real quick. So, this is what it looks like. It has writing right here. Has its number or stock number. It's all the way like this, nicely. It fits like a glove too. Covers a lot of it. Just gotta put the seat up now, so I can get these old WeatherTechs out of here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's really sleek. It fits pretty nice, but one downside to it, is this. It slides back and forth, but that's only because I have a little toolbox in here, and I have straps for when I tow stuff in it. And I'll tell you guys the specs of this thing because it was pre-owned. This is a pre-owned truck. So little minimum stuff like this thing's messed up, and right here it's all ripped all the way up to here. But other than that, it just has 31K. Let me show you guys real quick actually. Wait. So if you look right there, it says 31,564. And that's just because I drove like 2,000 miles on it, and drove 2,000 miles in it. It was at 31,000. But yeah, everything looks nice. It's the Laminate edition model, so it comes with leather. This is sadly doesn't have navigation, but it has Bluetooth, has radio, connect, and a compass. Compass doesn't really do stuff, but it has a kick. It has a pretty good kicking sound system. Just pop the hood real quick for you guys. It's a 3/4 ton truck because it's a 2,500 tons. These are the wheels. Looks pretty ugly. Let's put this down real quick. All right. Just put you like that. And just tighten this so you guys don't fall. Right here. Ugh. So this is a 6.7 6-cylinder diesel turbo. All the things are done with it. I just cleaned the engine for it. One spot that doesn't want to clean up is right there, but I can't really worry about it. So there's a look of my truck. Let me give you little things about it. It's a 2014 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins. It's a crew cab, I'm pretty sure. It has a 5.5-foot bed. Right now it's on stock suspension, and it already looks pretty big. The only difference is the front tires are like a little too big, like 4 sizes big than the rear ones, so that's why it looks leveled. But other than that, everything is like stock on there. What else is on stock? The exhaust is stock. Everything is stock other than the tires, wheels and tires. But I'm getting a leveling kit, so that's gonna be a new thing that's gonna get on it. I'm gonna get an electric running board. There's a back call on it, as you heard in the video. They were doing a recall on it. What else? Four wheels and tires. And all of that is adding up to 4,750 so far. That's already over what I have right now, but I still gotta make the $1,000 payment. Once I get paid for cleaning. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna see if I can get a picture of my truck, and let me see if I can get a picture of my truck, or I can just search one off of Ram 2500 diesel with wheels. This is exactly what my truck is gonna look like. Actually a little different. The spokes are a little different than this, but this is how it's supposed to look like. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, the computer is actually cooperating. So these are the wheels I'm trying to get, and then these tires are, I think they're low profile, but they don't look low profile. So that's the wheels and tires I'm gonna get. The running board is actually gonna be black. I'm gonna check if it's black, but I'm pretty sure this is black, and it'll extend in when the door is open. And then that guy has a chrome one. I want that chrome one. But yeah, that's how it's exactly gonna look like. I'm gonna use that as my thumbnail because I don't have any. I can't get a good picture of mine right now. But yeah, that's gonna be your guys' thumbnail. And let's see if I can download it. That's all I have to say with you guys. This is Aaron Ryan signing out for now. Peace. Oh, also, the last video didn't have an outro because I was on a tight time schedule. I'm still trying to do homework. I literally don't know what to do. So, this is Aaron Ryan signing out for now. Peace.